What's up guys, this is B-Side Investing. Welcome back to the channel. And so today I'm just going to keep it really short. I'm just going to go through the transactions that I did today. It's a really small one because we only had like 60 something bucks left. And we'll go through maybe a news or so and then check out the crypto market, and that's about it. So today we are sitting at about 4,800. We did inject about $500, so it's still kind of disappointing. We're sitting around $4,300 without the $500 deposited and invested, so not really looking that hot at the moment. But today we're sitting at $48 up, 1%, not that bad. But I did make some transactions today, so this was around like 2-3 p.m. So usually I want to move my transactions, everything that I buy and sell, I want to make it closer to afternoon, so like 1 or 2 p.m. So when the market's kind of like mellowed out and there's no like crazy movements going on, so that's usually the best time to buy and sell. So okay, so what I did today was I bought BNXA. My average price is really high at $8 or so buying in at 3.27 really helps. So I'm gonna try and buy more of BNXA soon, and average dollar cost my average all the way down. It's currently sitting at 7-ish, so yeah. And I bought some DGHIs with the remaining about 8 shares at 139. I'm pretty sure it's sitting at it's sitting at 131 at the moment, so yeah. So in terms of our portfolio, if we get into it, we see DigiHost 131. Yeah, so bought around 3, so yeah, it did fell a bit, so that's okay. Now our average cost has gone down just 1 cent with the $11 invested. So for me to get into the under $2, I think I'll have to put in another $60, $50 to $60. But the average share price did go down to 131, so maybe it's about $50. Another $50 should get us under $2 average price. So I think maybe I'll do that tomorrow. So we'll see. So yeah, with the BNXA, we did get our average price down to 770. Where'd it go? Average price right here. Oh, it went on down to 539. Okay. Before it was at 8. So if we check our activity here and we just do buy, and we go to BNXA here on April 16, we see 6. Interesting. Okay. 6. Was that I think that might be the okay, then I got that wrong. I thought it was 8-ish, but it's 6. Yeah, okay. So I'll try to we're down 50%, but yeah, okay. So that does that, and overall I think we're doing good. I mean, not much change from yesterday. I mean, look, the market's still it's pretty good. I mean, yeah, half and half. HUT did really well today. Mara BNXA did go up. Yeah, kind of bought it on the wrong time, but it is what it is. So when you're buying to average dollar cost average down, it doesn't really matter to me when I buy in, as long as that it's lower than my other starting price. So DigiHost, we have a news. They signed the crypto climate accord, which is it's big, kind of, but it's kind of becoming like the industry standard at the moment. So it's not really a news that would affect the stock price that much. Guess it kind of affected. I mean, it did go negative. So on a day that it should be positive, it did go negative. So at least it should be about 1%. But it's sitting at minus 1.5. So not much of an effect, but still. So the initiative was like achieving negative net zero emission from electricity consumption by 2030, and then developing standard tools and technologies to accelerate the adoption of and verify progress towards 100% new renewable powered blockchain. So kind of aligns with the DigiGreen initiative that they have. So if you look at the Crypto Climate Accord, you see there's a bunch of companies that you might recognize. So if I just go to the home page, you will notice, boom. So we have Argo Blockchain here, GMG, and then we have Griffin Digital, and then pretty much the supporters, yeah. Ripple, Hut 8, there's a lot of companies here. Now, if you don't see the companies that were like Hive and all that, I'm pretty sure they're on there. But the smaller companies, if they're not in here, they're gonna get in here because it's becoming like a norm now, like standard for the industry. So, and it's kind of becoming like the Paris Climate Accord, the Paris Agreement. But instead of countries, I mean, of course, it's companies. So I think this accord might be a little bit more effective than the private Paris Climate Accord. So we'll see how that works out. So yeah. In terms of crypto, currently doing really good. I mean, if you look at the 24-hour movement, we're seeing some positive greens here. So that's good. I mean, Dogecoin is up. Dogecoin, I know it tanked all the way down to like 16 cents, but it's back up. So yeah, everything else is looking good. Up 20%. Tron is up 20%. Rechain is up 8%. So everything is coming back up. But you know, like I said, in my opinion, it's going to be another 2-3 months until September, where we see this up and down movement, and then from September, I think we're going to see it slowly go up, shoot up above 55-60K. So now, of course, I could be wrong. I mean, it could happen sooner or it could happen later than September. So we never know. But all in all, I think at around the end of Q4 and early Q1, we might see 100K Bitcoin price. And with that, what that means is all the other altcoins are going to follow suit. If Bitcoin dominance is around 46%, I think it's like usually it's around 43, 42, about 47, 48. If it's around there, then you know altcoins are coming up. ETH is coming up. Everything else is coming up. So BNB fell down to like 282. I think it fell down. Let's see, 281 in the past 24 hours, and now if we look at this, yeah, 252 was the lowest for the past month, and the highest is like 600 something. So yeah, there's a lot. Right now, it's not the time to panic. I think it's time to buy. So I'm gonna slowly keep buying more and more. I like the coins that I own right now, and I'm just gonna keep buying more of those, and that's what I'm gonna do. So you, of course, you need to do your own research and come to your own conclusions. So you at least, you know, you're investing with the money that you can afford to lose, and you're not losing sleep over it. I surely am not losing sleep over my portfolio going down 40-50% because I know they're just gonna recover right back. I mean, if you haven't experienced like 50-60% drop, then you probably, like, you know, I don't know, invest in something safer. So probably just change your investing strategy. Yeah, anyways, I think I'll end it here for this one. Yeah, thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.